Hello everyone, and welcome back to my new episode of my driving experience. So today, yes, I get to drive a Subaru WRX STi version 9. This, I'm sure if any of you would know, is actually a very familiar car. Some of you might recognize this car. Yes, this is the car that holds the record for the fastest lap around Miri Go-Kart track, the full track actually. Yeah. So this owner kindly borrowed me his car to give it a go, to take a look, to have an experience on how well it drives. So as you can see, a lot of the things have been modified, especially the wing. The most obvious is the wing, the lip in front, the skirts, mostly exterior. The rims, that is not the stock rim, that is the ProDrive GC010G. All 4 rounds and paired with Michelin Pilot Sport. Yeah, Pilot Sport 4. The calipers are Brembo stock. Of course, it's been resprayed to blue. And then the disc brakes are, well, they've been modified from my understanding. The brand of the disc brakes are StopTech, drilled and slotted. S204 front lip, side skirt, the owner is not very sure about it. Carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber style actually, carbon fiber style front grille. S203 wing, but paired with Bravo legs. Charge speed carbon fiber trunk. And HKS Kansai rear diffuser. So from the looks of it, on the rear, the exterior looks of it, it's been done quite a lot. It looks nice actually though. I actually like the looks. Some people will argue that, oh, you would rather have the original stock wing, the blue big wing, but this actually looks good. The interior, sorry about the mess, it's COVID. The interior is still rather stock actually. Of course, this has been changed. This has been wrapped actually. It's been wrapped with carbon fiber style, with the gear console and the center console. Bright bucket seat. Steering wheel is still stock. And let's have a look at the rear. Yeah, the rear is pretty much still neat and tidy and in very, very good condition. Let's open up the hood. Voila. There. Well, of course, some of it you can tell it's been modified. HKS, open port filter, pairing alternator cover, a lightweight battery. I'm not sure what's the brand of it. And yes, it has 10 suspensions, original stock internal, stock turbo. It runs on 1.5 bar of boost. And it's making around 300, nearing 300 horsepower maybe. We haven't dynoed this thing, so I also don't know how much horsepower is it making or what figures it's making. Original sway bar. It's been resprayed. It used to be grey if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, let's not talk more and get on with the drive. Safety first, seat belt. The driving experience of this Subaru STi compared to the Toyota AE70 that I used to drive is a lot better. This is a lot more comfortable, less noisy, obviously, you can tell. And power steering. Obviously, the A70 doesn't have power steering, so the absorption of road bumps and everything, and also the noise, and the car is much more comfortable. And I'm in 6th gear, doing around 70 kilometers per hour, and it feels very nice in here. Let's get on with it a bit. It's fun. I'm not really pushing a lot, I'm just going a bit faster around the corner, that's about it. Oh my god. That's the end of that road, but it's gonna go make a U-turn, come back round. the moment when the turbo kicks in, that moment doesn't get so. I always feel like you're flying. Of course, you're not literally flying, but yeah, it just brings you. It's a bliss. The feeling is just a bliss. And this turbo, even though it's stock, it feels really good. Unlike the Toyota A70, that turbo sort of like cuts out within half 1 bar, and then it just wouldn't give any more boost. But this, however, keep going, and more. Woo! Oh my gosh. So yeah, little details in the car. Well, it has this DEFI gauges up top. This is actually an aftermarket part, but it fits where the clock used to be. Steering wheel is stock. The aircon, the air conditioning, and the center console, basically the center console section, is being wrapped with carbon fiber. Not much been done to the interior except for this little bit, and the full bucket seat, full bright bucket seat actually. Those bumps compared to the A70, this is actually handling it better. Although yes, it's still quite bumpy, but at least if it doesn't feel that raw, it doesn't sound that loud. Boom, boom, boom. The sound coming from the A70 is just pure and just that is pure and raw driving experience. This, however, this is much more subtle. Yeah, it feels nice, it's comfortable. Yeah, this is something that you drive during the weekend. Yeah, although this car has been taken to the track and won records, actually, hold records, and hold the record to this day. From my understanding, to this day, the record still stands. Now the only question stands is whether this is actually better than its counterpart, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, be it the 789. I mean, from this generation. That's a Beetle. That's a very nice Beetle. Yeah, whether this is as good as the Evo 7 or Evo 8, Evo 9. Of course, I won't go back too bad to a past, because this is a 2006 model, so we just go from the 2006 model. So which the 2006 model for the Mitsubishi was Evo 7, 8 and 9 during those era. Anyway, I hope you all like this video. It's been quite a fun drive today, and also please look forward for more contents, more cars in the future. Hopefully I still can borrow cars before all this COVID-19 lockdown actually starts coming back again. It's been quite hard actually. I've been wanting to do this video or videos like this ever since the beginning of this year. I mean, ever since last year actually, the end of last year. But because of COVID, it makes it quite hard to borrow cars, to go out. Yeah. So yeah, Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.